Everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be reviewing this ULG color gel polish collection. This is 6-piece 10 ml. This is from the glitter color collection. It's non-toxic. It should last on your nails between 2 to 4 weeks if you do it apply correctly. It's a soak off gel polish. You can cure it under the UV or LED lamp. 10 ml. It claims not to harm your skin, and it has a very light smell. You're gonna pay $18.99 for the whole set, so I will show you every bottle. Another thing that I really like about this gel polish, although I put it back on, I already played with most of them except one, but I put it back on the box because I want to show you how it came packed. So here's the box. If you're wondering how big the box is, here's my hand. So we're gonna go ahead to open the box. Turn on the charm from this moment. Okay, like I said, this is a glitter collection. It came with one of these little bottles. Hey guys, so let me just show you the first one. So what I really like is it has this, you can actually see the polish on top of the lid. So how cool is that? So you actually know the color of how the color is gonna look. And this is what I actually have on my hands. As you guys can see, it's the same color. So this one I believe is 096. And let me just show you. So we're gonna go ahead and open it. And it's so glittery and it's so pretty. And oops. And again, I'm not good at describing colors, so I'm not even gonna try. So here's the next one. This one is a blue color, 012. And let me just show you guys. This is more like a metallic color and it's beautiful. I already have swatches on my nails, but I'm gonna swatch it on a pop stick for you guys to see. And this one right here is 010. This is like a purple color. It's really glittery and pretty, beautiful color. And this one is really pretty too. And this one is 009. And this is I hope I'm saying it right because, alright, so if I put this number like this, it's 009, but if I flip it, it would be 600. So I'm a little bit confused. So just click on the link and you will find the set. Okay, so that's how that one looks. Then we have this that reminds me of like a banana color. It's a really beautiful yellow color. So this one is 011. This is glittery, really fine glitter. Okay. And the last one that I'm gonna actually put on my nails in front of you guys so you can see how well it applies to your nails is this one. And this one is kind of looks like the first one, but not really. This one has more like colorful glitter. I don't know if you guys can tell, but this one is 100. Okay. I forgot to mention I have a 5% discount code that I left at the beginning of the video. You guys can use that in any purchase. So we're gonna go ahead and start applying that on my nails so you guys can see. So I'm not gonna buff my nails, but like I said, if you want your gel polish to last on your natural nails, make sure you give it a slight buff and then clean it with some alcohol and then apply your base coat and then apply your color and then your top coat. Don't skip any steps. That's very important. So I'm going to start applying my first coat, and you're going to need 2 to 3 coats, depends how opaque you want your polish to look. I've been doing 2 on most of them. I think on the only one that I did 3 coats, it was in the yellow color, but you guys will see when I actually do it on the pop sticks for you guys. But See how easy it is to apply it to the nail. It's gonna be so pretty. So I'm gonna cure this for 30 seconds because I don't want to spend too much time. But usually I cure my gel polish for 60 seconds, but this time we're gonna do 30. And the reason for that is because I've been swatching most of these polish, so I'm tired of sticking my hand under the blue, LED lamp. So that's the reason why I'm doing 30 seconds. And this is how it looks with one coat. I totally forgot about doing my thumbnail. So here's my second coat. And this gel polish is kind of thick, and I think it's because of the glitter, but still it's very easy to apply to your nails. As you guys can see, it applies really nicely. I'm loving this color. So I'm gonna apply it to my thumbnail too. So I'm gonna cure this for 30 seconds. And I think I'm gonna do another coat so it looks more opaque. But I think 2 coats is actually enough, but I wanna do 3 coats because I want it to look very, very opaque and very glittery. I mean, it's very glittery. So that didn't sound right. It's already very glittery, but I want it more opaque. So you decide how many coats you want to put on your nails. So I really like this gel polish. It works so nicely. So this is how it looks with 2 coats, and like I said, I think it looks really nice. This is 1 coat, so I don't know if you guys can see the difference or not on camera. Definitely I can see it in person, but sometimes things don't look the same on camera as they look on real life. Okay. And I will put the pictures of all the colors and swatches at the end of the video. So beautiful. Again, cure it for 30 seconds. Then I'm gonna go ahead and apply some top coat. And then we're gonna start with the swatches on all the colors. I already have some pop sticks right here ready. Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and apply some top coat. This is no wipe top coat, so it doesn't, after I cure it, it doesn't have that sticky, you know, it won't be sticky. It feels very smooth and no sticky. I really like this color, it's so pretty. And again, I'm gonna cure for 30 seconds. So just pretend this is just your natural nail. I'm gonna grab one of these little buffer right here, and then I'm gonna buff the top of it just to kind of, that's gonna help your gel polish stick to your nail really good. So this is how my nails look, and I think they look beautiful. This is 2 coats, this is 2 coats, this is 3 coats. Alright, so let me just show you. So if I was doing this on my natural nails, I would just go like this, buff it, and then I would grab one of these wipes, get some alcohol, clean your nail, and then you're ready to apply some base coat. Cure it for 30 seconds. Just pretend this is your natural nail. Okay, so I'm curing it for 30 seconds. I'm not gonna do the rest of the pop sticks because this is not a real nail, it's just a pop stick. I just wanted to show you guys. So anyways, I'm gonna go ahead and start with the swatches, and then I will talk to you guys at the end of the video. Guys, so this is how the pop sticks look. So I'm gonna show you. This is after 2 coats each. I already top coat and it looks so pretty. So let me just show you again. This one looks more purple in person. And this is what I have on this nails right here. So it's different from this one. This one has more colorful glitter on it. See, beautiful blue. And this one is the one that I have on my nails right now. You see all the colors? So yeah, this is how my nails look. They look so pretty. So I will leave all the pictures at the end of the video. And do I recommend these polish? Yes, if you love glitter, these are gonna be perfect. The glitters are beautiful. Like I said, they are easy to apply. So I'll leave the link for you guys. You can where you guys can find this set, and you know, it will be easier for you guys. So yeah, I really like the gel polish. So if you like this video, give it a big thumbs up, and if you're not subscribed to my channel, subscribe, and I will see you guys next time. Bye.